Hey guys, it's me, Jennifer-Biana, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, please subscribe and like, comment, and all that jazz, and let me know what you think. Also, please click the notification bell to be notified every time I post, and my social media will be somewhere here if you'd like to follow. Come through. My Instagram, Pinterest, Snapchat, literally everything is very, very girly, so come through. So today I will be doing a paint and sip. Get ready with me. So I will be really zoning in on my artistic skills at a paint and sip place, and we will be getting ready for it right now. So if you just want to have a chit chat, little get ready with me, have a little cute little moment together, then keep on watching. Before I get ready for like an event, I always like to exfoliate and clean my face just so that the makeup has like a smooth surface to like, you know, apply on, because whenever my face is like dirty, oily, or like has acne, it's always not a clean canvas to like get working on. It makes putting on makeup like 10 times harder. Duval actually sent me their Radiant Skincare System, which I'm super excited because I've seen a lot of big YouTubers that I really look up to use this product, so I'm super excited to like also use this product, and we'll see how good it feels on my face and all that stuff. So we're gonna get into it right now. Okay, so there are 4 interchangeable accessories in this kit: a facial exfoliation brush, a large body cleansing brush, a facial cleansing brush, and a pumice stone. I'm probably saying that wrong. Pumice. Like, I'm always doing masks, always doing exfoliating things. See, this always happens to me. I'm so bad at unboxing things. So this is it. I'm super excited to try it. Oh my god, this feels really soft, so I'm very excited to try it. So without further ado, let's go to the bathroom and test her out. Also, if you want a 70% off code, 70% off. The code is 70revival if you want 70% off of this product. That's insane. That's a lot % off, so make sure to use 70revival. The link will be down below if you want to get your own. And yeah, let's continue with getting ready with me. So there are a couple of different face brushes. One of them is like really soft and the other one's a little more rough, but still obviously soft. I'm gonna go in with like the super soft glossy one. So all you really do is you screw it on and off button right here. Right now I'm gonna use my Clinique Mild soap. Oh, it's a liquid facial soap, and I'm just gonna apply it right onto here. This is so soft. Okay, so one of the things I really love about this brush is that the whole head rotates versus like the bristles just rotating, which actually exfoliates so much better. Oh my god, I really enjoyed that. And the really soft bristles are so pleasant. Oh my god, it's such a nice wash. Like, I can't even describe it to you guys. Oh my god, it just felt so nice and light on my skin versus some that are just very harsh, you know what I mean? If you want your own, again, the link is down below, and for 70% off, the code will be right here. But yeah, I am super excited to try out this huge body brush. If you want to know what products I will be using for the body brush, comment down below. I will be definitely doing this tonight. Look at how huge it is. It's the size of my palm, bigger than the size of my palm. So I'm definitely excited to exfoliate around here and here, because I feel like it would be really good for a lot of your body acne. So I'm super excited about that. And I'm super excited for this stone because that's for your cute little foot. So let's get on with the makeup. So I'm getting ready to go to a paint and sip, which is going to be super cute, super fun. Definitely going to take my camera. We'll see how much of an artiste I am. So right now, I am loving the Kaja Brow Gel. It is so cute. I actually love this brand. It's like a mix of like Too Faced and Milk. Already like snatched her up. I'm gonna go in and clean it with concealer though, but you know what I mean. This is the only product I use in my brows, just this, so it's insane. And the Milk makeup one. The Milk makeup one, I'm pretty sure they're honestly like the same product. Conspiracy theories. But they feel like their packaging, like this and Milk makeup, is like exactly the same, to the point that like I feel like they're from the same factory or something. So similar, and the wand is super similar. It's just like different kind of packaging, but like I feel like they're exactly the same. Now I'm gonna go in with my ColourPop No Filter concealer. Honestly, not my favorite concealer, but for the price, yes ma'am. It does crease a little, so it's not like, again, not like my favorite concealer, but for like $6 I'll buy it. So I'm just gonna go into my Give It To Me Straight palette from ColourPop. I really love it. It's just like so me, like light colors. I'm uploading every 2 days, sometimes every other day. Just going crazy and ham for the summer. I just put these 2 colors on. Literally this and this. I'll give you the tea. I'll give you the tea. When I got my portfolio shoot done, they put me in such dark makeup, and I was like, who is this person? If you follow me on Instagram, you saw that I was signed to 2 agencies, which was honestly the best thing that ever happened to me. Well, I thought. Finally got agencies that were gonna submit me to like castings and stuff. Like, I'm finally good, like I'm gonna get a job. The portfolio pictures took 2 weeks, and they were finally done like a week ago, which means that they've been submitting me and I haven't gone on 1 audition yet. That's the embarrassing stories of my life. Nothing ever goes how I want it to, so I'm a big baby and I'm a crybaby. And I cry about everything and don't give things a chance. Like, I think I need to give it like time, even though I only have this summer. Y'all know I'm in college, sister. I'm upstate, sister. So that's rough. I'm kind of just like getting impatient. The clock. The clock's ticking, sweeties. But yeah, and I also have been studying for the DAT. I used the shades Matter of Fact up front and Downright for this just like very casual little cutie patootie look. Oh, I want to put in my inner corner too. And I'm actually going to Canada in like a week. My parents were like asking me if I want to go, and I was like, oh yeah, like Canada's cool. And they were like, we're going to a jazz festival, and I was like, and they're going with all their friends too. So now I'm like, I said yes. But it is a place to be that's fun and cute. Canada, you know what, honestly I'll take any trips, to be honest, just to like see more of the world. So I'm gonna shut up. And so I have this cute little Kaja blush that's like a heart. It's super fun. I don't keep it in the heart form or I would look like a clown, but it's fun. But yeah, I blend it in. I'm gonna use my e.l.f. Beauty Shield spray, setting spray. I always change mascaras. The best mascara in my opinion is Better Than Sex, but like I just change off depending. I have so many mascaras, so I just kind of use, right now I'm using the L'Oreal Voluminous Original. Just like some random pigment I want to just plop her on top. My boyfriend got me a bunch of these pigments like so long ago, but like I was inexperienced in makeup and I was kind of like, wow, I don't know what the heck that does, and I'm scared. It's gonna be dark. Oh, it's gonna be dark. Oh my god, that's not what I wanted. Okay, I actually don't hate it, so I'm gonna shut up. Okay, and then I'm gonna put like a white pencil and like do this to make my eyes bigger. We'll slap some of Fenty Beauty's Chills pigment. That will make this better. A little white bright thing, and it just makes everything cooler and nicer and funner. It's so sparkly. I'll just probably use it as a highlight maybe today. I can be with my makeup all the time. I'm like, wow, I'm doing so much, and then I'm like, this just made this like a shade lighter. Now I'm gonna use my favorite product ever. You know how like beauty gurus always say like when they do their mascara they finally feel like put together and like, you know what I mean? Like, but like with me that's not the case. Like I put on mascara and I feel like a little bit cooler. That this is my step that makes me feel like wow. The Maybelline Fit Me powder. It's so stupid. It's literally so stupid, but every time I do this, first of all I put it like all in here, like the Maybelline Fit Me powder, and whenever it's like this step, like watch, like once I put it under my eye like this, and when all the sweat and oil leaves, I'm finally like, girl, where have you been? Like literally, like where have you been? Okay, I don't bake because I don't have the patience for that. Probably wrong, probably I should bake, but you know. So when I like wipe it off, I'm finally like, wow, like yes girl. That's when I'm like put together. So then I take the rest of it and powder on my face to not look oily, and it like saved my life. I have dry and oily skin, and it's the worst kind of skin ever. You just have to, like I always have powder on deck, like I'm like, but summer is hell to be honest. So like winter is like good for me and my skin, summer is hell. Don't really want like a super snatched contour, so I'm gonna go to Tarte Double Duty Beauty Make Every Moment Count. I do not even, this pattern is so weird, but look at how nice it is. Look at this big mirror. Yes, queen. So actually one of these blushes I can just use as a bronzer because it's like so dark. Like this shade is a really good like light bronzer, which is really weird. It probably isn't, it's just cheek palette. Oh, it smells like chocolate. It's just honestly like a good contour, like warming my face. Well, bronzer probably, that's what I mean. Like it's a good warming my face up bronzer. Yeah, I think all we have to do is just highlight and lips. Yeah, I'm just gonna take this little shade because I'm pale enough for it. And I like an icy blue highlight sometimes, not gonna lie. I know everyone else hates it, but like I kind of like it. I think it looks really, really cool. Like look at that. It totally does not match my eyes at all because my eyes are like golden, so I should have done a golden highlight, but you know what, sometimes I just don't want to match colors. I just want to be cool. I'm just gonna go in with the Sugar Petal Fresh. It is this like chapstick that's super tinted and amazing, so I'm gonna go in with that. Like, do you see the color on this? Like, are you kidding me? Like, it's a chapstick. Okay, great. So yeah, hi. Now that my makeup is done, let's go choose an outfit to be a real artist. Got my boots that have literal paint on them from Paint Shop. I'm done. This is garbage. Anyways, bye. Thank you guys for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed and I love you so much. Bye guys. See you soon.